Hey, again. Okay, today I am making a very simple soap which was a big seller just before Christmas, and it is called Vanilla Sandalwood. It's a simple soap with a fragrance that I buy from Sensory Perfection. Lots of them come from there. This is a slow moving fragrance oil, so it won't accelerate. So I'm just going to make this, and this one I include some Rasool in the base, and in the base I've got a silicone liner mat which is like the lace effect, so the top will in effect be the bottom, you see what I mean, bottom of the mould. So when I peel it off we'll have a lovely pattern. You'll have seen this done a few times, I imagine, if you make soap. If you don't make soap, then you'll get to see it and see how it's done. I need some cocoa. I'm going to do a cocoa line. So I do 2 layers, and in between the layers I have a cocoa line. So it's kind of like a brownish colour. It does discolour slightly, so but I leave the 1 layer plain. I don't colour it. So in goes my lime water. Water discount again. So I just put out the giveaway video on here, and I'm getting some funny jokes. Stick blend. Okay, now I'm going to separate off half of this batter into this bowl. I buy these bowls from a shop called The Range in the UK. I'm sure you can get them in, if you're not in the UK, I'm sure you can get them in your own country. They're just like a mixing bowl for cake, I think. Also, again, I'm going to say it again because every single time I get the question, where are my cutters from? Where is my mould from? There are links in the description below. I get it every time, so I'm going to have to remember every time to tell you. Okay, so I want half of this in there. Yep. And my Rasool is going in. Rasool just gives a nice sort of exfoliation, but not gritty. It's just a good clay. So I'm just going to stick blend this again. Kind of reminds me of my grandpa. It's a lovely, lovely scent. It's masculine. So if you like masculine scents and you're a girl, you might like this. Okay, so there's the colour. I'm just going to pour it over that silicone mat, which is sitting in the bottom. I've stick blended that quite a lot because I want it to thicken up, because I'm going to do a crooked line in the centre, not a straight line. So, to get a crooked line, I need to just push the soap around, but this isn't thick enough, so I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to come back, and when it's thick enough I'll show you. Okay. Okay, ready to just push this down. Look, see, that's thickened up quite a lot, and all I do is that, and this will give a crooked line when it's cut. So just do my line. That's that. And then move that out the way. Just pour in fragrance into the next portion. Give it a little stir. I want this to stay pretty fluid because it's going to have a flat bottom. Okay, and then just slowly pour over the top. And it will find its own way into those little divots and all that. And that's it. That is vanilla sandalwood soap made. Almost. Just going to make sure I get every last drop. Okay, that's it. That's vanilla sandalwood done. Give it a little shake. Level it out. And I'll be back for the cut tomorrow. Tatty bye. Okay, hi everybody. I'm just gonna unmold close up so you can see what this is like with the silicone mat on it. So it's going to be this way up, and here we go for the reveal. It's so nice, such a lovely effect. Look at that. Love it. Looks so pretty. It doesn't matter what colour soap you do. I always love this effect. So I'll cut a few into bars. So I can bring you in for that again so you can see the cut. Okay, so I'll just cut a quick one of these logs on this cutter, and then I'm going to finish up. So they're just, with the pattern and the design, it makes a really nice chunk. I just love the way that these look. So awesome soap, and it smells so good. It's like a really nice masculine blend of vanilla and sandalwood. The sandalwood in this one is like, I'm not sure if you're familiar with a brand called Floris, but they do very nice classic perfumes and colognes for men, and it reminds me of one of them. It's really lovely, nice classy scent. So yeah, it's just a nice bar for men, and it's got that rustle in the top, so you get a nice sort of slight exfoliation. So I shall plane these off and leave some pictures at the end so you can see the finished bar. Okay, I'll see you soon.